Hi everyone. Welcome back to Tech Fix Everything's. In this short video, I'll show you how to reset the Wi-Fi on your Epson L8050 printer. This is very useful when your printer can't connect to the network or when you've changed your Wi-Fi router. This is very useful when your printer can't connect to the network or when you've changed your Wi-Fi router. Epson L8050 Wi-Fi Reset Guide. Before we start, make sure the printer is powered off. There are no print jobs pending. And your Wi-Fi indicator light was showing a connection error earlier. After you've turned off the printer, press and hold the I button. Then press the power button at the same time. Keep holding both buttons for about 5 seconds, then release them. The printer will reset and restart normally. And at this point, the Wi-Fi light will no longer be on. The Wi-Fi light turning off means the reset was successful. Press this I button to print and check whether the network has been successfully reset. If the reset was successful, all previous network settings will be cleared. The network on the Epson L8050 has been successfully reset. Now, you can set it up with your new network system. If this tutorial helped you, please like, subscribe, and share this video to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Tech Fix Everything's.